Here is how to sign up on Fancily. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can sign up on Fancily. So let's start. First of all, go to the website fancily.com. Then after you'll come to an interface like this. Now you will find various options such as sign up, login, and signing in options with other platforms such as Twitter and Google. Now in order to sign up with Fancily, simply tap on the sign up option that you can see on the screen. After that, it will ask for your username, email address and password. You can individually enter those details. Otherwise, you can simply choose the sign up options with other social media platforms such as Twitter and Google. You can also sign up with Twitch. So for the easy process, simply tap on sign up with Google. After that, select the Google account that you want to sign up with. Then after, tap on continue. As you do that, your Fancily account will be automatically created using the details from your Google account. So in this way, you can easily sign up with Fancily. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.